Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to rename photos in Terabox app, and now let's dive right in. Now to rename photos in your Terabox app, first open up your Terabox app on your phone as I've already opened it. And after opening your Terabox app guys, you land on this interface which is the home interface of Terabox. And after landing over here, in order to change the name of photos or rename photos in Terabox, you can see the files button at the bottom middle section of the screen. Tap on the files button at the bottom of the screen and you land on this interface where all of your files will be available over here. Now in order to rename your photos over here, scroll down to the photo which you want to rename. So you can see guys, I have some photos over here. Similarly, navigate to the photo which you want to rename. So with that being said guys, now in order to proceed, tap and hold on the photo which you want to rename, and the moment tick mark appears at the right side of the photo, the menu will be available for us at the bottom of the screen where there is the rename button available for us. So let's do that again. Let's tap and hold on a photo, and when the menu appears at the bottom of the screen, tap on the rename button at the bottom middle section, and over here you can see the place to enter or edit the name of that photo which you want to edit. So let's edit the name over here. I'll be just typing in photo 1. And with that being done guys, after entering the name of your photo, tap on the OK button over here. And with that being done guys, your photo's name will be changed or renamed. And with that being said guys and done, this is how to rename photos in your Terabox app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.